Hey, happy Friday. It's time for our spelling quiz. So we're going to do things a little bit differently today. I am going to just make one video instead of making a video for each word. So when I read you one word, you'll pause this video, you'll type in your answer, and then you'll unpause the video to hear the next words. So after each word, you'll pause it, and when you're done typing in your answer, you'll unpause it, okay? So here we go. First word is any. You can have any flavor you want. Any. Now you can pause it. Number 2, every. I have every color sock. Every. Word number 3, had. I had a great day. Had. Word number 5, how. How old are you? How. Word number 6, may. May I use the bathroom? May. Word number 7, over. The cow jumped over the moon. Over. Word number 8, take. Can I please take 2 lollipops? Take. Word number 8, walk. Can we walk home from school? Walk. Word number 9, fly. Birds can fly high. Fly. Last word, word number 10, is just. I just finished my quiz. Just.